my channel. Today we'll be sharing with you how you can repeat formatting or how you can copy formatting to make it easier for you to format data in Excel. Now if you have multiple data fields on your Excel sheet and you need to format it, it gets quite painful if you have to do the same formatting over and over and over again. So that's why in Excel or in all Microsoft products, there is a format painter available. And what this format painter does, that you can format one area and then you can copy that formatting and apply it on any other places where you want to apply it. So now we'll show you quickly how this works. Let's suppose we want to have this bold, and we also want some background here. Let's put it in color. Then we want a different font size for the data. Let's say we want to make it smaller. And then we want borders for our table. Okay, let's suppose this is our formatting. Now if we need to have this same formatting for all headers here, what you can do is that you can go on top within the home menu. You see this paintbrush icon. This is format painter. What it does is, and when you hover over, you also see that how you can get started with it and what purpose this serves. You can read it through. However, I'll quickly explain you. You can click on it and then you click wherever you want this format to be pasted. Now you would say I just pasted it once, so if I have to do it 10 times, what's the use of it? No, it's not like that. If you click it once, then it copies that format for one time for you to apply somewhere. However, if you click it 2 times, so if I click twice, I did 2 clicks, now this format is there, so I can continue pasting this formatting wherever I want. I've pasted that formatting, and now let's say you want this formatting for the rest of the tables. So you copy this, then you put it here. I copied once, so now I copied it. That's it. So with format painter, you formatted one table and then you just applied that formatting on all other tables that you have. It helps massively when you are dealing with a lot of different tables where various formattings are applied and you want to have a consistency. You want to have your tables look and feel same so that it's more professional and there is no chance of human error in that case if you use this option. So this was our today's topic. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe if you like our content. Thank you very much. Bye.